Hey guys, it's Boogie Cookie, and today I am making slime. So let's get into it. The first thing you need is Elmer's school glue. So what you're going to do is you're going to pour it into the bowl. So let's do this. Here it is. So next you're going to add some lotion so it can be stretchy. Just going to add that lotion. Oops. Okay, I'll be right back. So then you just want to mix it. Make sure there's no chunks, so just keep mixing and keep mixing and keep mixing. You want to color the slime, so I have some paint and make it like a hot, hot pink. So here it is. It's on via background razors. Okay, so just keep mixing it. Okay, so next I'm gonna add some glitter. Sparkle time. My wet glitter. And that touched it. Oh my god. Okay, that's enough. Just gonna mix that. Maybe a little bit more with her. It is. It's really pretty. So next, what you want to do, some borax and some water, and just mix that in any type of temperature water you want. Mine is cold, and I already pre-did that, so I can make all the slimes I need to. And what you want to do is just take like a whole of this and just put it into slime. Just once you add it, it's just like whoop. It's not ready to get picked up though, because if it's like that, if it's like on your finger like this, it's not ready to get picked up. So I'm just going to keep stirring this up. I'm kneading it, and it's super sticky. But I'm going to show you guys when I'm done kneading it. I'm done making this slime. It's like a pink glitter slime, and it's super pretty.